Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning. How are you all? I am fine. I am happy. I am grateful. Well, tell me, how is everything going? Everything is going well? So, what is this our period? Which is this our period? Which is the period name? Subject Islamiat. Yes, welcome to your Islamiat class. And you know that it is my favorite subject. I love to teach you this. As you know that we have done previously many things. Right now what we are going to do is today is our day one of Islamia, so we are going to do the memorization. Always the topic is new, so I thought that we need to learn something new today. It's about Surah Al Qadr. Yes, a story about our holy Quran. In the Surah Al Qadr basically was revealed to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to show us the importance of our Quran, the importance of that night when the Quran was completed. And then Hazur Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam announced today the Quran has been revealed fully to him. And now we are having the complete set of Quran along with 30 paras and 114 surahs, along with different rukus and ayats, seven manzil, like seven stories of Quran. So, children, I hope that you people have some idea of that Holy Quran and all. It is basically Surah Al Qadr. So, I am going to tell you, I'm going to play the video about Surah Al Qadr. You will hear it carefully, you will watch it carefully. Then, inshallah, as usual, we will recite it from our book. If it will be translation, then we will definitely translate. If it will not be, then we will learn only the tarjuma, mean only Arabic version. Okay, let me start a video for you. And I am happy that you people are so curious. On the other hand, I just want to share with you, please do watch the videos of our channel because it is made for the purpose of your learning. So do watch it, enjoy your surah, and read it carefully with complete heart. I hope that you people should have that
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سورة القدر إنا أنزلنا في ليلة القدر وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. Indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree. And what can make you know what is the night of decree? The night of decree is between then 1,000 months. The angels and the Spirit descend therein by permission of their Lord for every matter.
See, children, I'm going to read it for you again.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سورة القدر إنا أنزلنا في ليلة القدر وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. Indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree. And what can make you know what is the night of decree? The night of decree is between then 1,000 months. The angels and the Spirit descend therein by permission of their Lord for every matter.
See, it's about the, I have shown you the screen and I have want that it should be visible to you so I can explain you well. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. Indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree. Night of decree means night of power. Like Allah Ta'ala has given the power to that night, that He has completed that Quran, and that night has a power to do everything. And what can make you know what is the night of decree? Like, who will explain you that what is the night of power? Obviously, no one except Allah. No one can tell us that night of power is what is night of power is. Then the night of decree is better than 1,000 nights. Mean the night of power is better than 1,000 nights. That is why everywhere it is said that we should need to stand for a whole night. Stand mean instead in front of Allah to pray, to offer our prayers, to make us believe that Allah is there. Allah is listening to us, and He is there to make our wishes complete. The angels and the Spirit descend therein by permission of their Lord for every matter. Like they tell that everyone comes down for every matter on this night, that Allah Ta'ala has made this special night for the special purpose. Peace, it is until the emergence of dawn, until the rise of morn, mean till the time that the sun is going to be rise. It is the night, and we have the power to complete our prayers, to ask Allah whatever we want, to pray from Him, to beg from Him that Allah please listen to us, and please make ourselves strong and powerful. So we should stand in front of you for the whole night, and we should say all the zikrs and all. So this is about your Surah Al Qadr. We are going to do it now. I hope you have understood it well, and I hope that I have explained it to you well. I am now in front of you. I am going to explain to you again along with the book. Then you people will understand it well, inshallah. Okay. So, students, take out your Islamiat books. Read to Islamiat, page number 3. It is our translation. Yeah, both things are there. As you have read full surah on the share screen, I have told you. I have show you the video from our own channel. That is the Edward channel. This translation is given in a very, very, very simple answers. Very, very simple words. So let us start and let us do it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. As you know, that in the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, we know the translation of Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Our topic is Surah Al Qadr. Today we are going to do Surah Al Qadr along with its translation. Surah Al Qadr. So, children, we have indeed revealed His message in the night of power. We have indeed revealed the message in the night of power. So, what is that night called? Surah Qadr night called night of power. So, Allah Ta'ala is telling us that He has told us what to do in our lives with the message of Holy Quran. Quran was completed on the night of Qadr. You know that in Ramadan we used to make ibadas, that we need to stand in front of Allah to make our prayers, to make our belief strong, so He can forgive us. So the Qadr is Al Qadr night is also like this, and it is a night of power. We have all the rights to beg of Allah, Allah ji, please forgive us. We are doing bad things. We are not going to do any bad thing in future. Just forgive us. Okay. Then, and what will explain to you what the night of power is. And they are asking that who can tell you what the night of power is? Only Allah can tell us. And He is telling us, He is saying us all these things by His things that He has provided, by His blessings. Actually, He has promised us that He's gonna forgive us if we are gonna do good deeds. Especially in the night of power, if we will seek forgiveness from Him, He will definitely forgive us. The night of power is better than 1,000 months. Mean we are praying in front of him from 1,000 months, but in that night it is better. Like he loves that night. It is not only on 23rd or 27th, because it has been said that find the Qadr night in the last 10 days of Ramadan, especially what are those nights? Those are 21, 23, 27, and 29. Oh, I forget 25. 25 is also there. So they are basically odd numbers and odd nights. We need to find Qadr in those nights. Surah Qadr night, we need to find in these nights of Ramadan. As you know, Ramadan is coming, and we know that we have to keep fast, we have to pray from Allah, we have to recite everything, we have to perform every good deed. Even we have to perform all the good deeds in our daily life. But in Ramadan, it has been specified that we need to pray from Him for our forgiveness. So we need to find Surah Al Qadr night in following nights of odd nights of Ramadan. There in come down, the angels and the spirit by Allah's permission on every errand. Mean all of the powers came down on the floor, on the earth. They all worship Allah. They all beg of Allah, Allah, please, please, please give us your blessings, forgive us because we want to go into Jannah. So Surah Al Qadr is the night of power in which we can seek forgiveness from Allah for all bad deeds. He can forgive us easily. And all of the powers and spirits come down on the earth, comes down on the earth. Peace. This until the rise of moon. Mean this night has a kind of comfort, kind of peace everywhere. And till the time of sunrise, we have the chance to seek forgiveness from Allah, to beg Him, forgive us, award us the good things, and whatever we did bad, please forgive us for that. So as children, I hope that you have understood it well, that what is Al Qadr and how do we have to perform ibadas on this following night. It is very important for us to remember Allah. It is very important for us to seek forgiveness from Him for our betterment and for our goodness. Yes. So I am closing my. This is all about Al Qadr. We are gonna do the difficult words. We will learn them, and then we will finish our lecture. Okay. So Al Qadr. I'm going to write the difficult words on the board. I have to prepare the board again because I need to write the topic and week also. Okay. I hope class that you like everything that is going on in our class. I hope. Not I hope, I am sure actually. Surah Al Qadr. Let me write the first word. Dealt, okay. Revealed. 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 This is not visible. I am going to write the word. So this is not visible. I'm going to write with the black marker. Revealed. Revealed. The next word is, what do you think that what is the next word that is difficult for you? So I will write the spellings of that word, because for me there are not so much difficult words. You already done with many. Power. 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 Then thousand. Thousand. Angels. 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 You know what our angels are? They are Allah's creatures. For me, spirit. Spirit. Spirit mean power. Every kind of power. Spirit. Have you done? Have you underlined? Yeah, please. Okay, now permission. 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 Errand. Errand means an oral message given to everyone, like Allah is there, seek forgiveness from him, and you have to say Toba and all and these things. Event, then mourn, M-O-N-R and mourn. Mourn mean morning. The word has been come from the morning, morning or dusk. So please underline them, and this will be for your 2 weeks lesson, because I want you to learn it with the translation and memorization well. It is very important to learn everything. Whatever you are learning in the class, you should know that what you are learning, and for this, you have to learn the translation as well as the Arabic version. Let me recite it once again. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to say Bismillah. We have to say Bismillah before our every lecture. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. We have indeed revealed this message in the night of power. Wama adraka ma laylatul qadr. And what will explain to you what the night of power is? Laylatul qadri khairun min alfi shahr. The night of power is better than 1,000 months. تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام. Dear, and come down the angels and the spirit by Allah's permission on every errand. Salam, hiya hatta matla'il fajr. Peace. This until the rise of morn. So, children, I hope you people have understood well what is Surah Al Qadr and what is that night called. What is that night power of? What are the powers of that night has? So good luck for you. Please learn it. Please watch the video again and again. Do ask everyone to watch the video. Do tell everyone about your channel, about your actual channel, about your lectures, so everyone could come to know that you are having a wonderful things to know. Thank you so much.